where we're talking about basement level and ground floor category law. When inspection is taking place, you please talk to the farmers also and ask them physical acknowledgement is along with that the farmer is given a physical acknowledgement along with the digital acknowledgement. Ikkada, you people are lagging behind when compared to other districts. So Ikkada, district collectors of these three districts, how do we expedite these? Then bulk milk cooling units సంబంధించి దీంట్లో ఇక్కడ ఈ సెక్టర్ go slightly on a slower pace, prioritizing your requirements with interaction with MD daily development. Have MD daily development guide you because ID effectively used. So go with the advice of Agriculture Department Animal Husbandry and interact with MD daily development and Agriculture Secretary, Chief Secretary, Special Chief Secretary. Go on her advice and then come up with the need-based priority basis. So you can only align. Then another most important thing in this construction activity is digital evidence. This is a gear marching. Otherwise, chances are that these material components may lapse also because district and the unit, as you know, as far as material component is there, they will be taken at the dairy development departments and it will come out with a prioritized list and all communication. As digital libraries are concerned, grounding, sanctions and grounding do not require any request collectors to please concentrate on this. And one suggestion will be that please see that wherever new buildings are starting, the material suppliers are same on all 3 or 4 buildings because then the work is delayed. So please see that different buildings are constructed on finance releases also. So my request will be please see that these buildings constructions are expedited because the labor component, all of you have done excellent job on your timely basis. Thank you. So unfortunately, the first phase, out of 30 least point of presence. So these 4 digital libraries work with the speed of carbon. It focus better. Even though administrative sanction have already been given at 4,314 locations. The sense of land is there. Digital libraries are important. So just we have not yet identified the land. So immediately finish off this activity of identifying the land, and 2,984 have been grounded. That means you have another 1,500 and odd digital libraries that are yet to be grounded. These digital libraries that these digital libraries have not yet been grounded. Check out the reason and solve those issues, and anything connected to the land as far as any of these activities is concerned, you always have this option of swapping the land. So that is in your hands. So if need be, if you want to exercise that power, you are at liberty to do so. అవసరమైతే దీనికోసం ఆ పవర్ కూడా ఎక్సర్సైజ్ చేసిన నాకు అభ్యంతరం లేదు. It's very important that these things are grounded. So please make sure that these digital libraries are grounded at the earliest. ఇక్కడ మిగతా డిస్ట్రిక్ట్స్ లో కన్నా కూడా వెనకాల lagging behind the districts of Anantapuram, Chittoor, East Godavari, Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam. ఈ ఆరు జిల్లాలలో మిగతా 7 జిల్లాల కన్నా వెనకాల ఉన్నాయి. So please make sure the collectors of Anantapuram, Chittoor, East Godavari, Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam and Visakhapatnam. దయచేసి ఫోకస్ పెట్టే కార్యక్రమం చూడండి. Because as I said earlier, 31st December నాటికి you will have a situation where the internet cable reaches these villages. So as quickly as possible, probably this is going to be the biggest, highest priority category of production item. So please ensure that this focus is given to this particular digital library category. So దీనికి సంబంధించి ఏమైనా నివేదన you want to add further to this? తర్వాత 8th subject will be నవంబర్లో విద్యా దీవెనకు సంబంధించిన ప్రోగ్రామ్కి సంబంధించి ప్రిపేర్నెస్. These are the subjects that we will be touching base on. First subject, moving on to the first subject, NRGS కి సంబంధించి NRGS, so there have been some issues what we are trying to address, and in spite of all these issues, the material component what needs to be spent, అది కొంచెం వాల్ ఫుటింగ్ మీద అగ్రెసివ్గా we need to evolve plans and mechanisms to ensure that targets are met. ప్రధానంగా మెటీరియల్ కాంపోనెంట్ ఇన్ విజయనగరం, విశాఖపట్నం, శ్రీకాకుళం and అనంతపూర్, ఈ 4 జిల్లాలలో మెటీరియల్ కాంపోనెంట్ను మనం యూటిలైజ్ చేసుకోలేకపోతే the amount would lapse. So these 4 districts though, the lag is quite evident. So the collectors of Vijayanagaram, the collectors of Visakhapatnam, the collectors of Srikakulam and the collector of Anantapur, please make sure that the material component amount does not go wasted. Because by 31st March, if you do not spend that amount, the amount will go wasted. It's very important that you people focus on the material component. Coming to the progress of the buildings, Sachivalayamlo, 72% progress. Second floor slab కూడా అయిపోయిన పరిస్థితి. But 28% of the buildings are below basement, up to basement level, and above basement level, up to ground floor slab level category 28% మాత్రమే ఉన్నాయి. So దీంట్లో districts with highest dependency at that level, basement level and ground floor slab level, Krishna district to East Godavari district and Kurnool district, they are faring worse when compared to the other districts, other collectors. So the collectors of Krishna, East Godavari and Kurnool, you people have a lot of catching up to do. So please focus on the completion of these works. And overall completion like వచ్చేసరికి అక్కడ కూడా ఈస్ట్ గోదావరి, విజయనగరం and శ్రీకాకుళం collectors, అక్కడ these people are lagging behind. The fact that 72% of the buildings లో already second floor slab కూడా అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఈ 72% there is a very good scope for this 75% of the works at least to be completed and handed over by 31st December. So please put this as a target, because you already 72% of the buildings have already completed the second floor slab. So please focus on completion by 31st December. these 75% of the buildings at least are handed over. And basement level and ground floor level lo unna 28% lo the collectors of Krishna, East Godavari and Kurnool, please apply your mind and come up with innovative ways to ensure that these buildings would have been left undone are actually speeded up. So వీటికి సంబంధించిన ఫోకస్ కూడా చూసుకోవాల్సిన అవసరం కూడా ఉంటుంది. As I've said that before I started off this topic on NREGS, there have been some issues monetary aspects, and today also making some arrangements to release 210 crores NREGS payments. So we are making those efforts. Money, bigger problems or not, but we will overcome those problems. Not that it's going to remain pending. So it's only a matter of kilometer that way, this way. Just push it through. So that we, at least ultimately, in the course of this month and next month, I think we will cover it up. Everything what needs to be done. And the RB case of someone Nichi, 10,408 RB cases gone. This is only ground floor. There is only one slab. So because it is only one slab, 45% of them, of the buildings have already passed to that stage of ground floor slab laid and finishing stage. So these 45% koncham dyasa pedithe, you can actually hand them over by 31st December. So please make sure that overall completion made collectors of East Godavari, Vijayanagaram and Kurnool apply their mind and focus so that these buildings can be handed over. The balance 55% which are at the basement level and ground floor slab level edaithe unnayo akkada collectors lacking Kurnool, Krishna and East Godavari and Srikakulam. Kurnool collector, Krishna collector, East Godavari and Srikakulam collector. Ikkada migita districts kanna ee districts they are lagging behind. So ikkada koncham dhyasa pettalsindiga ee collectors andarni kuda I'm making a request that these people focus, that you people focus on the ground floor and basement level as well, so that buildings can be speeded up. You have already covered all points, and just 2-3 points I would like to elaborate. Regarding payments, I just want to bring to the notice of all collectors and district officers. In the last 3 months, even though we have made payment of about 1,500 crores, but since as per the court orders and because these payments were pertaining to 18-19, current payments were little delayed, but as Honorable CM has already told, government is very serious for the current payments as well. Soon we are going to, in fact today also we are going to release some money, and subsequently also it will be released on priority basis. So collectors should take a note of it, and please see that because of the payment issue, works are not slowed down because payments are assured, only thing it's matter of time. Second point is particularly with respect to districts of Vijayanagaram, Visakhapatnam, Srikakulam and Anantapur. In fact, our whole material component state average chuste, it's about 70%. But in these districts, anyway, all that apart, keep them confident, and it's only a matter of time, and even if you put a conference. Then coming to the second point in the agenda is agriculture. దీనికి సంబంధించి e-cropping is one of the most important things that one should always keep in mind. Without e-cropping, you would not get input subsidy, you would not get crop insurance, you would not get సున్నా వడ్డీ పంట రుణాలు, అండ్ ఆల్సో చివరికి పంట కొనుగోలు ఆర్బీకేల ద్వారా జరిగించే కార్యక్రమంలో కూడా ఈ క్రాప్ లేకపోతే చేయలేము. You need to make sure that this is properly sent to this message is properly sent across. RBK primary function is going to be cropping. And collectors and joint collectors would have to make sure that whensoever you go for inspection to a village secretariat, you please make sure that collectors and joint collectors also conduct inspection of the RBKs. And when you go there, please focus on e-crop and focus on CMR, continuous monitoring of agricultural price and produce. ఈ రెండు ఖచ్చితంగా మానిటర్ చేయాలి. ఆర్బీకేస్లో ఈ క్రాపింగ్ కరెక్ట్గా జరుగుతూ ఉందా లేదా, అండ్ కంటిన్యూస్ మానిటరింగ్ ఆఫ్ అగ్రికల్చరల్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా జరుగుతూ ఉందా లేదా. ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఇస్ ఎ డిస్ట్రెస్ కాల్, ప్రతి పంటకు సంబంధించి ఏ పంటకైనా డిస్ట్రెస్ కాల్ వచ్చినా కూడా దిస్ కంటిన్యూస్ మానిటరింగ్ ఆఫ్ అగ్రికల్చర్ ప్రైస్ అండ్ ప్రొడ్యూస్, అక్కడ ఆర్బీకే షుడ్ యాక్టివేట్ ద జాయింట్ కలెక్టర్ అండ్ ది మార్కెటింగ్ డిపార్ట్మెంట్ సీకింగ్ ఇంటర్వెన్షన్. సో ఈ రెండు కూడా ఖచ్చితంగా జరుగుతూ ఉందా లేదా ఖచ్చితంగా చూసుకోండి. కలెక్టర్స్ అండ్ జాయింట్ కలెక్టర్స్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఇన్స్పెక్షన్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా చేయాలి. దే షుడ్ ఆల్సో ఎన్షూర్ that the JDAs and DDAs mandatorily conduct 20% e-crop inspections.